Hello, this is Seth Lewis from Lantern Home Inspections, here to perform a sewer line camera inspection on property 4805 Southwest 50th Avenue, Portland, Oregon 97221. The current time is 1:16 p.m. on April 17, 2017. I'm currently wearing a particle mask, that's why my voice is muffled. I hope you can hear me clearly. I was unable to find a clean out on the outside of the house. I'm in the crawl space area, as you can see here. There is a 3-inch clean out on the 3-inch ABS sewer line here. You see right there, there's the sewer line going into the ground outside the house. That is the north side of the house. The house is facing east, so there's the east wall. And there's the sewer line going out the north. This is where I'll be accessing the sewer line. I have the water at the kitchen sink on. I'm going to go ahead and begin the scope. I'm going to zero out my foot counter from this point. So right here you see that it transitions from ABS to looks like PVC. There is somewhat of a separation, a joint separation right there at the very top with some standing water at the bottom here. This could be a shift in the pipe as well. However, the offset joint actually allows water to go downwards instead of upwards, so the water isn't standing inhibiting the flow. Okay, so it is PVC pipe, 4-inch. So it's 79 feet 8 inches. It looks like we've hit the main city line. That's concrete right there. I'm going to go out of the crawl space for now. I'm going to pause the video and get a visual on what direction this could be going and where this could be located right here. But as you notice, the water was not inhibited from flowing to the main line. So I'm going to pause the video for 1 moment. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to retract the line here because I did not see any curves that would indicate that this is going towards the west cul-de-sac where there is a manhole located. So let me go ahead and retract the line again. So there's a curve that goes slightly to the west side. I'm going to pause the video right here so I can locate outside the structure for a moment, because this might actually go outside to the other property beside us. So I'm going to pause the video once more. Okay, I'm back. I was able to locate the head of my camera about 2 feet outside the foundation wall. So given the fact that it keeps going, this is going to somebody else's property, which means the concrete surge line that you saw is a shared line with all the other properties on the north side. That would make it a party line situation. As far as your sewer line is concerned here, I'm going to go ahead and retract the line back to that offset joint, which appears that it's just inside of this crawl space. So right here, we're inside the crawl space right as it's going into the ground under the foundation wall is where this offset joint is here. So it's sort of dipped down and kind of broken free from its out of place. But it looks to me like the water's flowing downwards properly and that it's not inhibiting the flow, because as I get to right about here, it clears up and continues downwards. So the standing water isn't an issue on this side. If it was on this side of the offset joint, then it would be an issue because there would be blockage. But at this point, I'll note it in the report so that at least you'll know about it. But for right now, I would say that this line is free of obstructions, cracks, holes, root intrusions, and you'll have to contact the city in order to find out where the line is shared, because this line does go to another person's property. So this concludes the sewer line inspection for this property. I'll review the footage further when I get to a certain place where I'm doing reporting, and I'll have the written report and video upload to you as soon as possible. Thank you again for choosing Lantern Home Inspections.